we wanted a vacuum cleaner that was really light, yet really powerful.
You know what it's like. The dirt just seems to accumulate.
No setup at all. With this Vax, it's straight out the box, one click, and away you go.
It's a lot lighter than anything I've had in the past, which made it so much easier to move around.
The handle is a really nice touch. You can adjust it to a height that suits. My Vax, despite being so lightweight, seems to power through pretty much anything. Fluff from socks, dirt from shoes, biscuit crumbs, hair, you name it.
After using my Mac Air for the first time, I just couldn't believe how much it had picked up in just one room. Great on my wooden floors. It has just as much power as it does on the carpets. I feel really confident that the job's been done and done properly. There's nothing better than that really clean feeling.